Welcome back, tech enthusiast. Are you tired of being held back by slow, unreliable internet connections while gaming? It's time to take your gaming experience to the next level with our selection of the top 5 gaming routers. These routers are specifically designed with gamers in mind, featuring cutting-edge technology and lightning-fast connectivity to ensure that every move you make in-game is executed with precision and speed. With advanced prioritization features, these routers ensure that your gaming traffic always takes precedence, resulting in reduced lag and smoother gameplay. Say goodbye to frustrating interruptions and hello to uninterrupted gaming marathons. Get ready to dominate the competition and experience gaming like never before with one of these powerhouse routers. Number 1. TP-Link Tri-Band B9300 Wi-Fi 7 Router Archer BA550, redefining home networking. Introducing the TP-Link Tri-Band B9300 Wi-Fi 7 Router Archer B550. This cutting-edge router is engineered to revolutionize your home networking experience. With lightning-fast 6-stream 9.2 Gbps speeds and a full complement of 2.5G ports, it ensures that every device in your network receives optimal connectivity for smooth, uninterrupted performance. Equipped with USB 3.0 for seamless file sharing and 6 smart internal antennas for extended coverage and enhanced signal strength, the Archer B550 is designed to deliver exceptional Wi-Fi performance throughout your home. But it doesn't stop there. This router also boasts advanced features such as VPN clients and server capabilities, Easy Mesh for hassle-free expansion of your network, Home Shield for added security, and a private IoT network for safeguarding your smart devices. Number 2. TP-Link Deco AX7800 Tri-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6 System. Transform your home connectivity. Introducing the TP-Link Deco AX7800 Tri-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6 System, also known as the Deco's 95. This innovative system provides whole home coverage spanning up to 6,100 square feet, ensuring every corner of your space enjoys reliable, high-speed connectivity. Equipped with AI-driven smart antennas, multi-gig Ethernet capabilities, and designed to replace both your wireless router and extender, the Deco X95 offers seamless connectivity and eliminates dead zones. With a convenient 2-pack configuration, you can easily expand coverage to suit your needs. Say goodbye to Wi-Fi woes and hello to uninterrupted streaming, gaming, and browsing with the TP-Link Deco X95 Mesh Wi-Fi 6 System. Number 3. TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi 6 Router Archer A10. Enhance your home network. Introducing the TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi 6 Router, also known as the Archer A10. This advanced router boasts 802.11x technology, offering lightning-fast speeds and improved network efficiency. With 4 gigabit LAN ports, dual-band connectivity, and features like beamforming, OFDMA, and MU-MIMO, it ensures smooth and reliable connections for all your devices. Plus, with built-in parental controls and compatibility with Alexa, managing your network has never been easier. Upgrade to the TP-Link Archer AX10 for enhanced performance and seamless connectivity in your home. Number 4. TP-Link AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 Router Archer A73. Experience high-speed streaming. Introducing the TP-Link AX5400 Wi-Fi 6 Router, also known as the Archer A73. This dual-band gigabit wireless internet router is engineered to deliver high-speed connectivity, perfect for streaming and gaming enthusiasts. With its advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, you can enjoy faster speeds and increased efficiency for all your devices. Plus, with its long-range coverage and optimized 5 GHz band, you'll experience reliable connectivity throughout your home. Upgrade to the TP-Link Archer AX73 for seamless streaming and extended coverage. Number 5. TP-Link AXE5400 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6E Router. Elevate your network speed. Introducing the TP-Link AXE 5400 tri-band Wi-Fi 6E router, also known as the Archer AX75. This cutting-edge router is designed to elevate your internet experience to new heights. With its ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E technology and tri-band capability, it delivers blazing fast speeds and unparalleled performance for gaming and streaming. Equipped with advanced features such as VPN support, OneMesh for seamless expansion, and WPA3 encryption for enhanced security, the Archer AXE75 ensures a reliable and secure internet connection for all your devices. Upgrade to the TP-Link Archer AXE75 and take your home network to the next level.